Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel to PayPal. So I'm going to show you on the iPad, but you can follow the same exact steps on the app on your phone. So along the very bottom, you'll have this tab here with multiple options, and you're going to go all the way to the far right where you see your account balance. So click on your account balance, and it's going to pop up this next screen here. At the very top, you should see your playable balance along with deposit or withdrawal. So we're going to click on withdrawal. Okay, and then from this screen, it's going to show two options here, withdrawal or refund. We're going to click on withdrawal. And from here, it should give you a couple options. You could do online banking, PayPal. These two options are blacked out for me. I'm not too sure why, but I've never used a debit card to deposit. I've also never used Venmo. I have used online banking and I have used PayPal in the past to deposit. So I think maybe if you deposit with online banking or PayPal, it only gives you the two options or whatever options you've used in the past to actually make a deposit. So if you deposit through debit card, maybe this option won't be grayed out for you. Or if you deposit through Venmo, maybe it won't be grayed out for you, but let me know if you're only seeing like a couple options. So we're going to be withdrawing through PayPal today, so I'm going to click on PayPal. Okay, so of my withdrawable balance here, I have $179. I'm going to type in $100 here by clicking here. Okay, I've just typed in $100. I'm just hiding this because this is my PayPal email, but down here you see the green button that says withdraw however much. So I'm going to click on that green withdraw button. Okay, clicking on that green withdraw button. And just like that, $100 has been deducted from my FanDuel Sportsbook account. My playable balance is now $79. I should receive payment within 24 hours. A confirmation email is already on its way, so now I can click on continue to lobby to keep on placing some bets. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.